This is Steve with Great Lakes Boats and Brokerage, and I'm bringing to you our 2008 Chaparral 350 Signature. It is located near Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. She has always been a freshwater boat. She is powered by two 8.1 Merc MPI engines, 375 horsepower each. This is the rare hardtop version here, not just the soft top with the arch. Does have the slant back cover there as well. And, she is very, very clean. Stepping on board, it does have snap-in carpet. It does have the elevated helm. It does have the wraparound seating there as well. The snap-around carpet is all in very, very good shape. The hard top, as you can see, is in very good shape as well. You do have a cockpit TV there for your viewing entertainment out on the deck there as well. Moving up toward the helm, there's the helm seat. All the vinyl is in very, very good shape. All of the gauges work without any issue there whatsoever. You do have some additional seating up here as well. As you can see, this boat is very, very clean, has been very well kept, very well cared for. Looking out over the front there, out toward the spotlight where the anchor windlass as well. The canvas is in great shape. The eyes and glass is in great shape, as you can see. You can see through that all. Kind of looking back there toward the aft and the U-shaped seating area as well. All right, moving down below, it does have the laminate flooring. Very clean down here as well. Has the cherry woodwork in there. It's all very clean. Your microwave. You do have your stove top and your refrigerator there as well. Here's your dinette area. Also then looking back toward the aft cabin. Right in front of you there is another TV and your electrical cabinet as well. Back down here into your aft cabin. With the filler cushions. Those are your steps that lead back up into your deck. This is our 2008 Chaparral 350 Signature. Give us a call.